Investor. If you're new to our community, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you know when we go live again, and make sure you download our ebooks. The link is in the description. You can pause this video, go over there because it's going to give you everything that you need in order to be on the same page mentally regarding money. And of course, you're going to have resources, tools, and things to get ready to start building that asset column today. Okay, so hit the link in the description. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. We're putting together a podcast right now with great partners that are going to be, like I mentioned before, giving knowledge to our community, people that are having success, and also opportunities, because our mission here at Master Investor is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity with high-quality financial education made simple. We're looking for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. So as we're learning the knowledge about money, right, we're turning the information, financial education, into knowledge by applying it into our lives. We are getting the results, right? And we are also solving problems in the marketplace, because that means that we are succeeding in business, and every business is here to solve a problem. So our problem here that we're solving is the lack of financial education for humanity, and opportunities that will go with those, with that education, to build passive income and true wealth. Rule number one of our community is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard. And why do we do that? It's because that is what the wealthy do. So we're going to be doing a live stream every single day. This is the 4th day of the year. So let's, the 4th or the 5th? No, today is the 4th day or the 5th. Let me check, 1 second. Yeah, today is the 5th day, okay, of the year. So, you know, we've been doing it every day since the year started. We're gonna keep that going the entire year. I'm gonna show you how to take a video, a product, and something that has value, and put it in front of millions of people, billions of people, through smart marketing, using systems, using videos organically, and also blogs and different solo ads that we can access online. And we can do PPC, or pay per click, or PPL, pay per lead, and we can find the preferred clients that we are looking for, the people that are ready to buy our solution. So we want to make sure that we are putting ourselves in position to create cash flow, passive income, through sound investing, okay? So every time we get on a video, on a live stream, on a podcast, we're gonna be speaking about money, because that is what it takes to create wealth. We gotta speak about money all the time. We gotta start expanding our minds, look at the world with the entrepreneur eyes, and begin to solve problems in the world. What type of problems do we want to solve is the question. And then we can actually contribute something to the world and make sure that we are fulfilling our purpose in life, because that's how we truly find happiness, and we find true love, because we are literally helping other people's life better. And I think that's the biggest contribution a person can have in life or experience, in whichever degree, whether it's in a big degree, if you're impacting millions of people, but even if one person you're impacting, right? 10 people, 100 people, right? It makes us feel good. And so if you don't feel like you're happy today, think about what are you contributing to the world. And probably right now you're not contributing anything, or you're procrastinating, you're not answering your call, right? So we need to make sure that we are in position to win in the world. And how do we do that? We have to focus on a daily basis. That's what we're looking at every day for the next year, as, okay, we got 24 hours right now, we're gonna get the best out of this 24 hours. We're gonna make the best decisions, we're gonna work on our health, wealth, love, and happiness. And we're gonna make sure that we are building our asset column with real assets that produce passive income and capital gains income. You know, creating true wealth becomes a topic of financial freedom, or total freedom. Not working for money, making more by working less, or not working at all, right? That's the whole goal, is that we make money work hard. Okay, money is supposed to be our employees, that those are money, each dollar is supposed to go work hard for us. Money is our slave, and we are the masters of money, right? And so because we have the financial education, we understand how to read financial statements. So go get the ebook right now. You're gonna learn about the cash flow circle, the cash flow triangle, the cash flow system, how to get it all set up online. It has literally a total guide on how to get going online, how to increase the bottom line. If you have an existing business and you want to bring in leads and transfer that physical business into an e-commerce, like you can literally learn that in our ebook. And also we have how to acquire your first real estate property if you never have one before, how to convert that into an Airbnb, how to do sound investing through different asset classes, which is important to hedge for inflation and protect ourselves from bad economies, is to diversify among the 5 different asset classes that exist. So it's important that we take this seriously about money and the topic of financial education, because without financial education, you're going to end up working for money the rest of your life at a job, and your savings, you're going to either leave them in your bank where it's being invested with entrepreneurs and investors like myself and other members in our community, because that's what banks do. They lend money. So people save money, the banks grab that money and they give it to somebody that understands how to create wealth with that capital through sound investing. So either you're going to end up saving your capital and giving it to the wrong investments, toxic investments, liabilities, because they're not putting you ahead of the game of money. It's not creating passive income, nor is creating freedom, right? So if it's not creating freedom and it's requiring you to work more, or you're not receiving any passive income or any capital gains income today, then it's a liability, it's not an asset. So vehicles like 401k, all of those fake assets were created for the financial uneducated. So get financial education so you don't have to rely on those fake assets that will literally make you not wealthy, will make you poor. That's what is happening right now. So you want to be able to take decisions with your money and be able to put it to work in things that you have 100% control. So your companies will have 100% control of those assets, whichever assets, a home, a real estate property, right? It could be 12 units, could be a duplex, or it could be a business, a car wash, but you have a company and that company is owned by you, right? And 100%, so you have 100% control over that asset. Whether there's a stock that you're renting out, we have strategies inside that ebook that will show you how to rent out stocks and create cash flow with stocks. A lot of people only know how to trade stocks. We're going to show you exactly how to create passive income, because rule number 1 of our community here, like I said earlier, is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard, right? Because that's what the wealthy do. And we have to train our minds to approach money that way. Otherwise, you're not going to escape the rat race, and you're not going to escape the matrix. You're always going to be behind the bag, chasing the money. And instead, if you develop your skills as a master investor, the money chases us. We actually are the essence of what it takes to manifest and attract anything that we want, because success is not something we chase, it's something that we attract because of the person that we are becoming. So make sure that we're doing self-development every day, read something, right? So go get our ebooks right now. That's why we created these services and products, so that we can help you understand how to create sales on autopilot. Even if you start with a $25 sale per day while you're sleeping, if you never make money while you're sleeping, you're gonna feel very good, and it's gonna be something that it will change your life forever, okay? Because you're going to see the possibility of creating as many sales, unlimited sales, like we show you inside of our inner circle how to do, so that you can take your dreams and bring them into reality, so that you can manifest that, because money is the most important element of life. We can't go far without. It's as important as oxygen and water. Let's just say that, okay? So give us a like if you love what you're hearing, if you're learning something here about money, business, and investing. Make sure you give us a comment. It helps us, other people get to watch it, and I'm going to show you how to transform one's life. I'm going to lead by example. This is what we're doing here. We're creating leaders and wealthy entrepreneurs, which wealthy entrepreneurs are master investors, right? Because a master investor has 3 E's. Number 1, financial education. Number 2, experience. Number 3, excess of cash flow. And that's what we're doing here. Every single partner of ours and every single member of our community is working to build passive income and make money work hard, right? So we create win-win relationships. By the way, great news. We got an email 2 days ago, I believe, and it's by this company. It's a real estate company. Basically, they have opportunities for accredited investors to invest in mortgages for passive income. And the email, I'm not reading it verbatim here, but maybe I'll do a live stream later on the laptop, and then we can, go through it, because we're going to bring that individual into our podcast to enlighten us with the knowledge of how to create passive income through mortgages and through the niche that they have mastered, okay? This is a professional company. This is the president who reached out to us to me personally, because he heard our podcast, and so he was aligned with our mission, which is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple. We're looking for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. So I'm excited because, believe it or not, this is one of our dreams here at Master Investor, is to continue to develop these relationships that are win-win relationships, because now we're also going to create, like I always say to you guys, if we're bringing business to a business, we have to make our commission, our percentage for every sale. And if it's a subscription sale, meaning that the customer pays every month for the service or whatever they're buying, then we also get a percentage every single month in the form of residual income. So this is exciting news for us here at Master Investor, and we're going to be releasing a podcast with him shortly, right? That's why he at least conveying the message that he would like to work with Master Investor here at our podcast and at our community, so that we can provide financial education to the community, plus the opportunity to go ahead, hey, if you're an accredited investor, which we have a lot of our audiences are accredited investors, professional investors, we have master investors, right? And accredited investor, we explain what type of investors exist inside of our ebook here, and the link in the description, how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on. If you go get that ebook, you're going to learn the different types of investors, so that you can choose which investor you want to be. But maybe because of your situation right now, where you maybe have a high-paying job, you are and qualify as an accredited investor, which you have to be making more than, I believe, $250,000 per year. And I think it's 250,000. And combined, if you have your wife, I think you have to have a net worth of $1 million, plus be making 250,000, I believe, per year. If you're by yourself, I think if you're combined each, I'm not sure if it's 300,000. But an accredited investor is someone that earns a lot of money. It's a high-paying individual who has enough capital to invest into protected investments opportunities, okay? Because they can basically afford to lose the money per se, okay? So the SEC protects these individuals. Those are accredited investors, but doesn't mean if you're not an accredited investor, you can't raise capital, you can't create sales on autopilot. In fact, you can. And it's better sometimes to start with no money, because you learn everything from the bottom up. You learn how to raise capital, which is the most important job of an entrepreneur, is to raise capital. And the number one skill is to learn how to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing. And then the job number one of an investor, of a master investor, of an inside investor, is to make money work hard, okay? So this is exciting, because this is something that we wanted to do here starting this year, right? Is to get other people, other wealthy entrepreneurs and successful investors, master investors, to come in and give financial education to our audiences, plus give an opportunity where, hey, if you're in a position to go ahead and take the opportunity and make cash flow, right? I think he said between 9 and 12% return on investment annually on the mortgages. I don't know per investment. We're gonna have to ask him all of those questions when we talk to him, okay? And I'm excited, chat. So listen, we're gonna bring great value to you, okay, and to all of our audiences here and our platforms. So if you're watching this in YouTube, make sure you subscribe. If you're watching this somewhere else, then please go ahead and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms. If you have any questions, reach out to us. I'm going to keep my word about doing a live stream every day, taking our channel to the next level, and creating true leaders and wealthy entrepreneurs and master investors, right? So it takes financial education, and it takes a commitment to self-development, and also takes commitment to be disciplined and be serious about the subject of money and how to start making money while we're sleeping, okay? So if you want to create sales on autopilot, let me show you exactly how to do it. Please go ahead and click the link below right now and go ahead and get our ebooks, and I'll see you inside of our inner circle. We're going to work out in a little bit. I'm going to do a live stream at the gym. So, hey, get to the gym. We're doing our 4 pillars of an extraordinary life: health, wealth, love, and happiness, right? So we talked about money. We're taking action every day. We're actively investing, right? And so get your stuff together right now. If you don't have any assets on your asset column, go get our ebooks. If you do have assets and you want to increase your wealth, then also get our ebooks, because we need you as well in our community. Even if you're a wealthy person, like I said, our new partner that we're going to be introducing, I'll do a live stream and I'll show the email and who the company is and their website and stuff, so that we can see and understand what they're all about, right? We're going to do a short live stream and we're going to explain the audiences who this person is. But it's exciting because it's going to create opportunities for the accredited investors, and it's creating a partnership, and it's also fulfilling our mission here at Master Investor. So I'm excited to bring that person on the podcast, and also for everybody else that is going to come to our podcast as we build our network here with the most powerful and wealthy entrepreneurs and investors that exist, okay? Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. I appreciate your time watching me. And yes, I'll see you in a little bit. I'll see you at the gym, okay? Make sure if you want to meet me, at the gym, if you want to watch this, the live stream, and you want to work out, then great, let's do it, right? 15 minutes minimum. And then if you want to do over that, that's up to you. But we're going to do this every day of the year. I'm going to show you how to get it done by leading by example, okay? Self-discipline, right? We have to be committed to the goals and be okay with saying no to a lot of things, because we're protecting a deeper yes of our dreams. We're protecting, hey, we gotta go to the gym. We can't really eat cake. We can't really be at that party late because we gotta get up, go to the gym. We gotta do things. We got a full schedule, right? With the tasks that will get us closer to our goals. It's all about really focusing and being unapologetically when it comes to building our dreams. Okay, say no to the things that doesn't serve us, and say yes to the things that are helping us become a better individual, and of course, contribute something to the world. That's the whole purpose of building a business and a brand, is to contribute, to give something back to the world that makes the world a better place, okay? Remember, 2 types of debt: good debt and bad debt. Good debt makes us wealthy, and bad debt takes money away from us, okay? We want to be in good debt. It's not about being debt-free. We encourage everyone to understand debt, and that's why we're creating our 4th ebook that is called How to Raise Capital to Invest for Wealth, okay? So we're going to show you where to get the capital, how to raise it, how to present the deals to entrepreneurs, private investors, and banks, right? Private institutions as well, financial institutions that are in the business of lending money, which there are plenty of them, okay? So remember, job number 1 of an entrepreneur is to raise capital. Let me know if you learned something new. Write it down in the chat box. Hey, and you already know, chat, I love you. Take care. Thank you for your support, and I appreciate you. Stay great and wealthy. And remember, the difference between an asset and a liability is that an asset puts money in our pocket whenever we're not working. If it's not putting money in our pocket while we're sleeping, or while we're brushing our teeth, or while we're working out, then it's not really an asset, okay? And we're in the business of acquiring assets, real assets, okay, that produce passive income and capital gains income. And if we want a liability, we want something that is luxury and it's not really making us money, it's just that we want to have the experience, that we're going to create an asset or acquire an asset that will pay for that liability every single month. If we need to pay it every single month, or if it's a one-time luxury, whatever, we at least have one asset that will cover the expense of that liability over and over again, all right? That way it's free. We're not paying for it, the asset is, okay? And if we can raise capital to acquire that asset, then we're really getting it for free, through infinite return on investment. That's when we have no capital of our own invested in the asset, but we are controlling the debt, we control the asset, we collect the cash flow, and we're creating positive cash flow to us after everything is paid every single month. So that is good debt. So we want to be in good debt. Understand that and make your debt your best friend to become wealthy. Make sure you hit the link in the description. You want to learn how to get unlimited leads, unlimited sales online, how to position yourself. Then I have the 3 simple steps detailed inside of the ebook that I'm recommended for you to go get it. If you haven't, get our 3 ebooks out right now. We just released one 3 days ago. Get them straight from our website because you'll have additional assets that will come with each ebook. We have turned each book into a digital course. Therefore, it has additional assets and bonuses. So it's better if you get it now through our website because in the future will be more money, but you will always have access to all the assets that we add in that digital course that you purchased today that has the ebook, okay? So it will have a financial statement that you can download and fill the blanks with your information so that you understand your financial statement, because the foundation of true wealth is the ability of reading financial statements, right? And starting with our personal financial statement. Every person and every business or investment has financial statements, and we need to learn how to read them in order for us to improve and understand what's going on in that person's or that entity's financial situation, and how we can make it a positive one for us so that we can create freedom because we have passive income and because a business is a system of systems working hard, doing the selling and telling for us. If it's not doing that for us, then it's not really yet a business, right? For us, it's not really an asset. We're part of the business. We're part of, and we're an employee if we're working in our business. We have to be able to detach ourselves from our business, and so that we can move that generated cash flow into a new asset so that we can create more freedom. Okay, so if it's taking your time, think about it before you do it. If it's taking your time, it's not going to create freedom for you and passive income, then don't do it, or capital gains income, but it has to create freedom for you. If it's a job that you have to work, then it's not an asset because you have to be in there. So here at Master Investor, we show our partners to work on our business, not in our business, which is a big difference. I'll see you at the gym. Thank you for listening and your business. I appreciate your time. Stay great and wealthy. Bye for now.